Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze, Pilates Please, LA Colors, Coral Reef, and MoYou London Arabesque 06. I've started off with Dainty Digits, Glitter Be Gone. You got to shake this one up before you use it. And this one I got on clearance a long time ago, and it's Pilates Please by China Glaze. I'm going to go in with my first coat. And by the way, the Dainty Digits is not called Dainty Digits anymore. It's Baby Girl Lacquer. I do believe there is a link to her channel. I mean, not her channel, but her store down in my description box under my go-to favorites. So that went on really well. We're going to cap that free edge real quick. This is just such a pretty shade. It jumped off the shelf at me. And it is suffering from ugly bottle syndrome from settling, but whoo-wee, look how pretty. It's just a really nice light peach color. Guess I was in the mood. And it's leveling out really nice, and if it had the new China Glaze brush on it, it would be even better. I'll be using this Mermaid Magic from LA Colors called Coral Reef to top this one, just to give it some shimmer, little interest here for me. I'm making a little bit of a mess with it, but look at those shimmers. Oh, so pretty. It's amazing what, a polish like this can do to a manicure. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. We're going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. Going to get this one to dry down so we can do some stamping today. Just in a stamping kind of mood. And I am going for more of a lighter, not in-your-face look. I've done some crazy stuff here lately, and I kind of needed like a palette cleanser. And a dainty manicure like this is, what I think I needed. I'll be using the Arabesque collection 06, yes, from MoYou London, and Nicole Diaries Gold, which is NS03. Got my Beauty Scraper and AliExpress stamper out today. So I'm going to swipe that one off, and this image was speaking to me, so I decided to go ahead and go for it. So there we go. And I'm going to clean that plate off with some acetone. And then the stamper is going to get cleaned off on a lint roller. I did my tape cleanup, and now I'm going to go in with my acetone and do just the tiniest bit of cleanup here. Very, very minimal. I always like it like that. And I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. So happy to have this back in my life. There we go. Love it, love it. And once this is completely dry, I'm going to top it with Poshe Top Coat. And this manicure will be complete. Just love, love, love it. So, I love it, but I want to hear what you think. So leave me a comment down below in the comment section, and we can talk about this one. So there's my swatch photo. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.